This is Dee with DJ Designs, and I am going to show you some highlights of a good vendor show I had today, the Black Dollar Days in Kansas City. It was sponsored by an AKA membership, and it was 82 vendors there. Oh, wonderful. And I believe they made like $25,000, about $25,000 for one day of sales. But I'm going to show you some of the highlights, so sit back and enjoy. And this is my display. I wasn't able to bring my full display because I was traveling, so I did the best I could with what I had. And these are some customers checking out my merchandise, and I was successful. I did get sales from these customers. And this is just a pan showing you some of the vendors. And these are more vendors. They were very creative, talented people there. I was just amazed at some of the creativity that a lot of the vendors had there, and I'm sure they did very well as well. And they had a little show. It looks like a step show that they did. It was entertainment. There were music. Lots of people. Just a fun day. Absolutely fun day. I definitely will be back next year, and I'm sure it's even going to be bigger and better. So fun. Everybody's nice. Put it on my social media.
Yes, family ties.
All right.
Family ties. Come on out.
Okay. Beautiful wreaths. Oh wow, look at that one. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely.
You can put some spray or something on it if you want to scent it in the Christmas time.
I love the creativity with that wreath. Beautiful. And this is another vendor. Beautiful work. This is copper, and she hand shaped that. These are my two beautiful daughters. They were my helpers. They were my crew, and I made the shirts just for the event. It was a wonderful, fun day, and here I am, happy as a lark. And here's me and my two girls. We had a fun day. Very good day with sales, $24,618 for one day of sales for about 80 vendors. Thank you for watching.